Thanks for watching this video. This is a video of my capstone project through the Bloc program that I am currently enrolled in. I really enjoyed doing this project. One, I was really able to just kind of solidify a bunch of skills that I have been able to develop over the last couple of months, which points out that I'm actually wrapping up the back end portion of the Bloc program, which is kind of crazy since I feel like I just started and I've learned so much that that's exciting. Anyways, I chose to do the capstone project really for that reason, just to kind of solidify a lot of the things that I've learned already and hone in on some other skills. With the project that I'm about to show you, I actually was able to use Devise again and really better understand how to customize Devise to the web application specific features and needs. So that was good. I also really was able to better understand how MVC model view controller works and all the pieces that go along there as well. So better understanding that was very helpful. Specifically, I played around a lot more with running migrations and changing database tables and adding to them and such. Great opportunity to learn that. So I'm excited about that as well. What else? That's kind of basically it, but basically to give you an idea and background as to what the Capstone project is, it's a really simple web application. Really, it is for my wife. She is a seamstress and she does custom wedding dresses, and she works with clients locally as well as all over the world. So this is a easy solution to onboarding her clients. She needs to have measurements and other important information for clients, and so if she is working with clients who are not local and she is not meeting with in person, this is a great way for her to have that information in front of her and also provide more what's the right word? Just a better experience for her clients. So really, again, simple, but I'm excited about it. And again, I know I'm only scratching the surface here, but look forward to building more things. And let me go ahead and show you what this web application is all about. So I'm just running it here locally. So Jan Marie Bridal, that's one thing that I was able to learn, was how to implement logos through CSS and HTML. And then I also did some more customization with like background colors and the font color and even the text here and some of the buttons and hovering and things like that. So, oh, and additionally just adding images to a web page. So with that being said, we'll go ahead and show you the about page. Again, added some images and some information about my wife, and then contact information. So I got those three those three tabs, and we'll go ahead and sign in. You can sign in here or up here. We'll go ahead and sign in since I already have a user. So, and go ahead and we get this success notification. And at this point, if I was signing in for the first time, I could go to create a profile. Since I already have a profile, you'll see that my profile shows up, which is cool. And so we'll just go ahead and go to that. And you can see I've got my profile here. I did have some issues with trying to configure the table. I'm not exactly sure why it's indenting differently on these sides. Due to time, I decided to let that go, as this is a project for learning. So hopefully I'll be able to hone in on that at a future time. You can see that there's an image upload here of a dress sketch, so that'll be usually my wife will have a sketch of the dress that she can upload here, so her client come on here and see that sketch. And then if you want to edit the profile, you can come here and edit anything. So important wedding dates, measurements, if there are sleeves, if those are applicable, those measurements, and here you can actually choose to upload a file or an image of the dress sketch, and or sketch of the dress, I guess I should say. And this is kind of cool too, because I use the Boolean here function so that when these are checked, they then turn true. And if I save these, then down here, this will actually say your deposit has been paid. You have paid in full, thank you. And this one I didn't check, and it says you are picking up your dress. Now if this was checked, and we can go to edit, you can kind of see that in action. But it says your dress will be shipped to the provided shipping address, which is then up here. So that's kind of cool. The other cool thing that I was able to do with Devise is that I set up an admin user for my wife. Now, currently my account is set up as the admin, and when it is set up or when you do log in as the admin, you get this here, which is all profiles, and this will show a list of all of her clients, and she can click on them and she can make edits. Also note that these changes that we made here earlier can only be done by admin. But it will show up on just the client's profile, but they can't edit that, since that's something that should only be done by my wife. So that, I believe, is basically it. But again, great opportunity to learn and kind of hone in on some skills. And appreciate you taking some time to watch this video, and look forward to next time. Thanks.